Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. American Express offers a valuable tool for its cardholders: free access to your credit score. Understanding your credit score is crucial for managing your finances effectively, and American Express provides this service to empower you to make informed financial decisions. By logging into your American Express account, you can conveniently view your credit score at any time. This allows you to keep a close eye on your credit health and track any changes that may occur. American Express utilizes the VantageScore 3.0 model, which is a widely used credit scoring system. This score is calculated using data from your credit reports, and it's a valuable tool for understanding your creditworthiness in the eyes of lenders. Having access to your free credit score through American Express offers several advantages. First, it helps you stay informed about your credit standing, allowing you to detect potential errors or unauthorized activity on your credit report. Second, regularly monitoring your credit score allows you to observe the impact of your financial habits and make adjustments as needed. Third, understanding your credit score is essential when applying for loans or credit cards, as it plays a significant role in the approval process and the interest rates offered. American Express's free credit score feature empowers you to take control of your financial well-being by providing convenient access to vital information that affects your borrowing power and financial future. By taking advantage of this complimentary service, you can confidently navigate the complexities of credit management and make informed decisions that contribute to your overall financial success. Start monitoring your credit health today and unlock the benefits of this powerful tool offered by American Express. Remember to regularly review your score and leverage the insights it provides to improve your financial future. This proactive approach to credit management can pave the way for greater financial opportunities and stability.